In the distant future, humans have built a vast machine to provide for their every need. The machine has become their entire world, and they live isolated lives, never venturing outside of their rooms. This is the world depicted in The Machine Stops by E.M. Forster, a story inspired by the philosophy of humanism. The author believed in the importance of personal relationships and connections, and the dangers of relying too heavily on technology. In this story, we follow the life of a woman named Vashti, who spends all her time in her room, communicating with others through the machine. She is content with her isolated life, convinced that the machine is all she needs. But when her son, Kuno, urges her to come see him in person, she is reluctant. The machine has made it so easy for her to communicate with others that the idea of physical contact is repulsive to her. Eventually, Kuno manages to travel to her room, but the meeting is far from what she expected. The machine that she had relied on so heavily begins to malfunction, and she realizes that she has lost touch with her humanity. Through this story, Forster warns us of the dangers of relying too heavily on technology. He reminds us of the importance of personal connections and human relationships. He warns us that if we become too dependent on machines, we risk losing touch with what makes us human. In conclusion, The Machine Stops is a cautionary tale about the dangers of relying too heavily on technology. Forster's humanistic philosophy serves as a foundation for this story, which urges us to maintain our connections with each other and our humanity in a world that is becoming increasingly automated.